Hello, this is Elmer Watson. I picked up my Kimber 1911 45 ACP today that I'd won through a gun bash here in West Virginia. So this is my first time of shooting the gun. The first time the gun's going to be fired is right now. So I figured I'd do a video just to see how it does. Hopefully no jams, but we never know. I'm shooting Remington 230 caliber bullets through it, so we'll see how it does. In the eyeball. And then taking headshots on this, so we'll walk up here and see how it does, Michelle. I don't think I would want to be that man, do you? All right, we'll load back up real quick, and I'll continue this video. All right, let me get it loaded up here. All right, I'm gonna do some chest shots this time. Not bad. I love the gun. I had one, two, let's see what I've done here. That was a dud. It did hit the primer, so it was not the pistol. I don't know what else to say. I love it. I think I got a new carry gun. So I hope you all have a happy Easter weekend. I'm sorry I haven't made many videos. I have been moving. The wife and I, we bought a place out in the Royal area where we don't have good cell service and no internet. So we did get internet back in to our home now. So I'm gonna start making some more videos whenever I catch time. So like I say, I'm very happy with the gun. I will make a couple more videos to see how it does. So God bless, and you all have a good day.